Hello everyone, do you know what special day we celebrate on June 5th? Yes, it's World Environment Day, a day when the whole world says together, let's protect our planet before it's too late.
But wait, why do we even need a special day for environment? Well, let me take you back in time. Once our earth was green and clean, birds sang, rivers sparkled, forests danced with life.
But slowly, things changed. People cut down trees, threw plastic into oceans, burned fuels that filled the sky with smoke. The earth started getting sick. Pollution is not a solution.
That's why in 1973 the United Nations started World Environment Day. Every year a different country hosts it and there's a special theme. This year's theme is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. It means we need to heal our land and protect it from turning into desert. Don't let our future dry out.
So, what can we do? Plant trees, save electricity, don't litter, ride a bicycle, use water wisely. Even small steps can make a big difference. Be part of solution, not pollution.
Remember, friend, we don't have planet B, we only have one Earth. So let's love it, protect it, and take care of it. Not just on June 5th, but every single day. If you protect nature, nature will protect you.
Let's go green and keep our planet clean.